Hello, I'm PC Master Sun. Today I will talking about graphic card cooling system. If you're worried about overheating, here is the solution. First, you need to check temperature. How to know temperature using hardware monitor. Then you will see CPU and both graphic card temperature. You can download hardware monitor at CPU ID official website. Click to setup and you can download. Second, you need to check summer pasty dried up or not. So let me check. So if your graphic card summer compound dry or not, how to know? Let me check. You can see this is still alive, but remove summer compound, then installs. Paste. Like thickness. Then don't remove the around summer compound because summer compound already dries. Just remove the hairs and don't touch around. And next, it's done. Graphic card pen is still auto mode. Then how to control your graphic card pen? You can download pen control from NVIDIA official website. You can check description download link. After install finish, click to performance icon. And now, performance option, click to device settings. You can see GPU icon. Click to GPU icon now. And then cooling is still automatic controls. You can change 30% to 100%. Then I will write 80%. And now apply. Also you can save setting and Windows start off. You will see 36 to 37 degree now. And now I will change it. I will change 100% control. And now you can see 36 again down. And then finally now 35.